In this video, I'm going to discuss about the generics in C#. So we can create the class and methods as generic. And after creating the class and methods as generics, we can provide the value in compile time. So let's create one class as my class name as generic class. And we can make the generic class by using the angle, this bracket. And then I can give you as symbol as T or whatever you want. And inside this, I can create one constructor here by shortcut key CTOR. And after this, I can pass data type as T is my generic. And inside this, I can provide the message as a parameter. And after this, I can type the CW and I can display the value of message. I can create here another class, that is class program. Inside the class programmer static void main. And I can create the object of generic class. And inside the generic class, I can make the generic class object using the string type, and string value is my reference value refers to new generic class string, and I can provide a string value as this is my string. And after this, I can also create the generic class of integer type, and this is like integer value is equals to new generic class int, and inside this value I can provide the integer value as 100. And after that, I can also create the generic class character type, and I can give the reference variable as character value is equals to new generic class character, and I can provide the character using the single quotation A. And if I run this code by pressing the run button, then now you can see this is my string 100 and A. So in this way, you can use the generic. It means that we are not providing the data type before creating the class, or you can say after creating the class, but we are providing this during the runtime. So during the creation of the object. So in this way, you can use the generic class and methods. You can say the class and constructor. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.